What is the meaning of the words in Surah Al-Ikhlas? Kul huwa Allahu ahad. Say, He is Allah, the One. The word ahad doesn't just mean one in number, it means absolute, unique oneness. Unlike anything in creation, this isn't a math problem, it's a declaration of a fundamental, indivisible reality. Allahu Samad. As-Samad is profound. It means the eternal, uncaused cause upon whom everything depends, but who depends on nothing. The ultimate anchor of existence. Everything yearns for him, but he is free of all need. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. He neither begets nor is born. This is a direct, logical conclusion from the first two verses. If God is the eternal, uncaused cause, then he cannot be born from something else. And if he is absolutely one, without parts or partners, he cannot physically beget a child. It's a rejection of any form of anthropomorphism, protecting the concept of a purely transcendent God. Walam yakun lahu kufuwan ahad. And there is none comparable to him. This is the final seal. No metaphor, no ideology, no person, no force in the universe can be an equivalent to this ultimate reality. It's a complete intellectual and spiritual framework. For a curious, rational mind, this is striking. In 4 lines, it presents a concept of God that is purely transcendent, beyond time and space, free from human limitations and mythological narratives. It's a God you can only know through his attributes, not through physical form. This is an invitation to a different kind of conversation about divinity, one based on pure, uncompromising monotheism. It challenges us to think about the nature of existence itself. What do you think? Does the idea of an uncaused cause, an absolute oneness that is the source of all logic and existence, resonate with you? Your journey to understanding might just begin with a single, powerful idea. This text, called Al-Ikhlas, means the sincerity. This short text is the key of Islam.